Hey guys, so this is the Kreg Pocket Jig 720 or 720 Pocket Jig. It comes with 2 bits, and this is cool because I hate when I'm trying to get into a tight space with my impact that I can't get in there when I'm trying to make so I had to go out and buy this right angle turn to defeat that. But with this bit here, it allows you to make a shorter. There's your long one, there's your short one. Now, I got 2 pieces of wood here. This is a 2x2 I cut yesterday for a grill table I'm building for a customer. But if you slide this in here, like so, it adjusts for itself. Now, if you gotta do bigger or smaller, there's a knob right here on the side. You can twist it, and it'll allow you to take some pressure off. But, so, just clamp it down and it's in there. Now I don't have it clamped to the table yet, I just opened it up, but I got it for my birthday for my kids, so they're smart. I put it on my Instagram. My kids are smart because they know if they get dad a tool, then he makes some money. So they've learned like mom's taught them well. Just kidding. And then, so that's the 2x4, just cut down. The thickness is still there. Now let me show you some 1x material. Here's a 1x6. You don't have to adjust any screws or anything like that, and it's awesome. So it's clamped. It won't move. You don't have to. I mean, this thing's amazing. This is what that's replacing. It's replacing this. I loved it, but this is a nightmare. Every time you want to screw something, you have to twist that out, twist it back in. It's just a pain in the neck to have to do that every single time. So I used this. I bought this. Well, I bought it, but I let my kids give it to me for my birthday. So I got this, and it's very nice. It does everything. So let me show you the other features it's got. It comes with the one I ordered. I didn't get the wings, the storage plans, because I got a desk and I'm gonna put wood up. I'm gonna put 2 1x6s cut into pieces on each side so it can just slide back. And I'm not gonna pay $94 extra. But it comes with 2 boxes of screws, which when you get into woodworking like I do, I have a running subscription from Amazon on screws. I never can get enough of them. I have to buy. They deliver me a box every 2 weeks because I use so many screws. Now this, I'll have to. Let me see what this is. This goes in here. Let's see. B. It's a collection blade. It's for your vacuum. I said it was for a vacuum, and then I guess I would see. Yeah. Then the vacuum thing hooks over this. Then it pops on. Then you can hook your vacuum to that. So it goes just like that. Which, if you're cutting a lot of lumber, a lot of lumber, you need something like that because it keeps you. It produces a lot of wood on the floor. Now, what else was I gonna do? Here, this is a really cool thing too. This is the new bit, and I got another bit. I ordered a bit, cause mine, if anybody that has Kreg knows, if you screw down your bit too hard or you screw down your Allen key too hard to the bit, it'll lock on there and it'll run your bit. So I ordered an extra one so I wouldn't be out of commission if I let me throw this away. If I clamped it down too tight, and it's an accident. It's not like I just stand there and crank on it, but. So on the new ones, if you can see here, it's got the numbers, the thickness of wood. The majority of the time, you're going to be using let me unloosen this. You're going to be using 1.5 or 3/4. That's your 1x6 and your 1.5. that's the majority of the time what you're going to be using. So one of those two are the majority of the time what's going to be used. So today I'm going to be using the 1.5, so I'm going to put it right on 1.5, tighten it down. Something else that's cool on these that I found, because I was using that new bit with my old pocket jig, but this thing right here, if you do that, you line it right on your wood like that, it'll show the thickness of the wood is 1.5. So you have a gauge of how deep so they leave no room for error. So let me clamp this down, and I'm gonna show you how to drill it. Okay, let me get my drill out here. Now, another simple trick is I try to use the same tools, and Matt over at 731 Woodworks, he'll tell you the same thing. I use Milwaukee, he's got rigid, but whatever you can get as a new woodworker. I had impact and battery, so it would have been crazy to go buy. And a friend of mine gave me this Milwaukee, he does electrical work, so he gave me that. And then I just bought a new brad nailer. And if these start doing good, these tool reviews, I'll do more videos and more tool reviews and stuff. But so what I'm gonna want to do is I want a hole. Let's see. It says it's gonna put a hole right there and right there. So I'm gonna want a hole one there, and see it missed, and I'm gonna show you. I can fix it, but I'm just gonna show you it missed. So you gotta make sure your placement of your woods, that one hit, that one missed. I'm gonna put some wood filler on that and fix it, because it's for a customer, but I'm just showing you. So I should have quit being lazy and put right in the middle. Popped it right in the middle. All right, now I'll lift this up, and there's my two holes. And it's never impossible to fix a mistake. If you try to be too perfect in woodworking, you'll have it. I personally have learned that you'll have a rough time. So instead of getting mad and cussing and getting all upset, just take some wood filler, put on there, let it dry, sand it. If it's gonna be painted, you can't see the wood filler anyway. So, okay. Now, I just wanted to give you a quick demonstration. Oh yeah, and I just want to show you this too. It's got holes in here. Let's see, can you see them? It's got holes right there to screw it to your table or to a board. And then and these wings are still on here for like if you're using a 1x6 that's longer material, so it'll stand up and it won't tilt over when you're doing a tabletop. But also it's got some storage area, so you can store your small bit. You can store your small bit in here. Let's see. So that stores right there. And I already got a big bit I'm using. I'm not gonna get another one out. But that'll be, let's see, right there when I'm ready for it. So that's right there. Now, I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of how that worked and how it would, how everything worked and all that stuff. So, but yeah, it's a nice tool, and after I use a little longer, I'll give you guys some more, tips and tricks on it. All right, thanks guys. See you later.